after successfully updating your profile in Speedy Global website, the next thing that you have to do is to update your personal data. How to do that? Here are the steps. So first, you can either click the down arrow here and go to personal, or scroll down and click this go to personal data button. And then you will be routed to the general information page. Scroll down and then click edit general information. First, select your employment status. So as of this moment, for example, you are working casual, part-time, or full-time, so you will just have to indicate that. And answer the following question. So are you open for job opportunity at the moment? If no, then click no. If yes, then you can just click this. Are you interested in working at sea? So either you click yes or no. And then, are you interested in working on land, either in your country or outside of the country? Then you can either click no or yes. And then choose your country of birth. So using the down arrow here, or you can type in the name of your country. Same with the country of residence. So click yes if you have a passport, or no if you don't have a passport. If you have traveled overseas, or if you've never left the country, so you can just click yes or no. And then complete the personal information. So if you're single, divorced, married, separated, so you can just click your status here. Choose. Then if you have children, yes or no. If you have a tattoo, yes or no. Put in your height and weight. So you can either put it in centimeters and kilograms, or in inches and pounds. And then add in your next of kin or your emergency contact. So you add in the family name, if your emergency contact, first name, country. Choose if you will be putting in the mobile or the landline number of your emergency contact, and then the email address. Add in a clear photo. So to add in a clear photo, you can just click choose file. You can move the photo and then crop it. This is the photo that will appear on your general information. If you're okay with it, then just click OK. And then click Save Details. So you can see here all of the updates that you put in on the general information. And if you missed anything, then you can just hit Edit General Information to add or edit. Next thing is you can add the languages that you can speak. Go to the Language tab and then Edit Language Information. For example, you can speak English, so you can choose English. Your level of fluency, if you're advanced, fluent, if you're a native English speaker. So for example, I'll choose fluent. And the number of years that you've used the language. And then you click Add to List. So you can see that it will be added to your spoken language list. So for example, you can also speak Spanish or Castellan. And you can speak intermediate, number of years. For example, you've been using it for 3 years, and then you can just add the list. And then once you're done, you can just hit Save Details. And you're done.